Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So today we will be making a compound interest calculator using scanner. We'll also be using the math power function. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. If you had any difficulties following, then make sure to leave a comment below. I will help you with more programs like this in the future. Alright, then let us hop into the video. So it is basically calculating interest by compounding it annually. The syntax or the formula is double A. A is the amount, which is equal to principal times math power of 1 plus rate by 100 and time. So what math power actually does is raises the first argument to the power of the second. So in the sense, it will be 1 plus rate by 100 to the power time. So this is the syntax which is on your screen. Let me start with the program. So as I promised, I'll be using a scanner class. So let me import it. Let me complete with a major part of the program and get back to you. So I have completed with a major part of the program. I'll just finish it. Yeah, now I suppose it is finished. Let me compile it. This is the program, as you can see, starting from importing the scanner class and then this. So let me just remove this space so that you can see everything in one shot. Okay, this is the program. Let us go to the output window. So we have done with the program. Let's just compile it. It's compounded, and then let us go for the output. So on the output screen, they are asking us to enter the principal. Let us keep it as 10,000. Let the rate of interest be 12%. Let the number of years be 8. So the compound interest is 14,759.631762948113. The amount is 24,759.631762948113. Time is 8 years. Principal is 1000.0, and rate of interest is 12%. So it will display all the input given along with the amount and the compound interest. So while making the program, if you don't want it to be congested, let's just head back to the code screen. You can give spaces in between. So is equal to and then plus, not here, I mean in the string you can keep a space, and here also. So here you can keep space, and then here, here. So now we compile it. No major change actually. So if we do the same thing of 10,000 for 12% interest at 8 years, we get the same, but we can see it's not pretty much congested. So that's it. We are heading back into the coding screen. Thanks for watching. The whole program will be in the description. See you in the next video. Bye bye and stay safe till then.